Hello and welcome to another episode on Snow Peak Adventures. It's been a while since I saw you guys, but once again, I'm here camped out in Fernwood State Forest in Ohio near Bloomington. Let's go on another adventure, why don't we? So guys, I want to say welcome to Snow Peak Adventures, and if you are new, thank you for subscribing to my channel. It really means the world to me. I've been here before at Fernwood State Forest. I've explained what the campground has to offer. It's a very primitive campground without any electricity or running water, and you have pit toilets. It's rustic and it's free. That's why I come here. But other than that, I've just been very busy with schoolwork. I am in my fourth quarter already, and time is flying by. So, with that being said, I'm not too sure when I'm going to be able to make more videos of my camping trips. But I know a few of my followers had a few questions, and so I'm going to answer those for you this weekend. Here's a quick and easy, simple dinner you can make yourself for you or for someone else. It's mountain pie iron pizza. It's one of my favorites. I used to do this back in the day when I was a Boy Scout. And it's simple, it's easy, and it's 10 minutes at most, and next thing you know, you have yourself a homemade pizza. To start off, you want to have your mountain pie iron laid out on the table, and you want to get like an original canola oil spray blend. This stuff works the best, and that way your bread won't stick to your mountain pie iron. So you want to just lightly cover that up. Then you're going to lay your bread in here, and sometimes the bread is a little bit bigger than the mountain pie iron, but that's okay. We can manage that. But you really want, I'm going to eat some of that. Okay. Next, you're going to get tomato sauce for pizzas. So pizza sauce. I'm going to spread some of this around, just like that. You want to get the full surface, just like that, around there. I'm a little sloppy, but nothing wrong with that. So you want to get that tomato sauce all around there, covering the perimeter. Then you want to get your shredded cheese. You can do mozzarella or you can do something different, but I like mozzarella the best. So you're going to pinch a little bit there, kind of spread that around, and just a little bit on this side, just to cover up some of that pepperoni. Then you want to get like original pepperoni that comes in a little bag like this, and it's real easy. Everything also is zip-locked, so it stays fresh longer, which is really cool. So you're going to get some pepperoni. You're going to put some pepperoni down. So this is pepperoni pizza for dinner. So once you do this and you have your pepperoni and your cheese done, you're going to close up your mountain pie iron. It's okay if a little bit of it oozes out of the side. That's okay. It's not the end of the world. So what you want to do is you want to put your pizza over your fire like that. And maybe wait about 3 or 4 minutes, open her up, take a look, see what you think. But about every 2 minutes you want to turn it over, just so each side gets cooked evenly. Once you are done and you take your pizza out of the fire, it's going to look a lot like this. And I burned the one side, but the inside Looks amazing. Bon appetit. Well, there's definitely not that much to film this weekend. This weekend is more of a vacation for me. I just gotta get away from school, get away from people, you know. So there's not much to film, but all in all, this state forest, is very pretty. It's relaxing back here. People don't bother you. It's free camping, which is awesome. And it's a beautiful evening. So this is the town of Bloomington. There's not much here. There's a post office, a police station, and a gas station, a church, and a cemetery. That is it. And people are bringing their trailers in for the evening, because there's an ATV thing happening this weekend. A few of these trailers are driving down here, so I'm gonna go see what they're doing. I know there is an ATV park here. And it's called Renegade Ridge ATV. If you want more information about this, I'll put this in a link in the description below. This is beautiful out here. Wow. There's a few campers up on the hillside too, which is kind of neat. So people must pay so much to use this ATV park, and then they go and spend the night up in the field there. And I do apologize if my lighting isn't that good. Sun's setting right now, and I don't know if the camera can pick up what I can see, but pretty impressive. So there's some lady up here checking everybody in. And I don't have any reservation. So we'll just have to see what happens. Well, I've been sitting here waiting. I don't know what the holdup is. I'm going to go turn around, because this is taking too long, and it's been a long week. So I'm going to go back to camp. It looks like a cool thing if you're into ATVs though, but I will put that link in the description below and let you guys find out more information about it yourself. So one of my followers sent me a question of how do I set up my kitchen when I am camping for the weekend, and to be honest, my trailer becomes a complete wreck when I go camping because there's just so much stuff that's going on and whatnot. So I'll just show you real quick. But here's my bluey jug for the sink, because I don't have running water at the time, so this really comes in handy. And then usually my stove sits right here. But right now I don't have the stove out because I cooked dinner on the fire. But down below is where I keep my stove, coffee maker. I know it's kind of dark, but I keep pots, pans, cooking utensils and whatnot down here in this drawer. It for tonight, guys. I had a really nice afternoon. After dinner, I went for a walk, and I got to check out the ATV park. I will catch back in here with you guys in the morning. Well, good morning, guys, and welcome back. I had a good night's sleep here. I got to talk to some of the neighbors. The guy down a few campsites from mine owns a truck camper on top of a pickup truck, which is really neat, and they go to different tractor shows. It was kind of neat to talk to them, and they've been all over the U.S., and they've traveled, and so I thought that was really cool. But, yeah, I'm going to go make some breakfast or get breakfast. Just see where the day takes me. It's a little overcast this morning. I hope it clears up. Well, this morning I'm going to head out to Cadiz and get breakfast at the mine or somewhere around there. And I'll take you guys along with me. My coffee was really good this morning, and I brought turkey bacon, but I really didn't bring anything else. So, kind of hungry. Plus, I like a home-cooked meal for breakfast. Well, I had a nice breakfast and came back to camp and cut some firewood and hung out and just relaxed a little. We're going to go take a look now at the Vista. So, come along. Well, I'm here once again at the Vista. Sun finally came out. It's getting warmer. It's turning out to be a beautiful day. Well, I'm going to go back to the ATV park and check that out and see what happens. Just go and explore. Let's go check it out. That's pretty cool. Everybody's got their ATVs and having a nice day. Well, this ATV park is kind of neat. They have a food truck, taco truck here, serving lunch, and a whole bunch of people just hanging out and enjoying the nice day we're having. It's kind of cool. Let's head back to camp. For dinner tonight, I'm having spaghetti and meatballs out of a can. That's good. Oh yeah. Oh, hello there. Well, thank you for watching this episode. I had a great weekend here at Fernwood State Forest. I ended up not filming for the rest of the evening because this computer locked me out for some reason. I got it fixed today, and we're back on track. And when I woke up this morning, it was pouring down rain, so I really just wanted to get packed up and hit the road. Another issue I also had this morning while I was driving was my 7-way plug and the connector from the trailer. Some odd reason, my trailer lights stopped working. And later on in the afternoon, I checked in on it just to see if it would work, and the lights do work. My guess is water got into that connection somehow, making the trailer lights not work. It was bizarre. If any of you guys have ever had that issue with your trailer, doesn't even have to be an A-liner, but let me know down in the comments section below if, you've experienced some kind of issue like that. Also, if you have any other questions that you'd like to submit to me, please leave them down in the comments section. I will answer them on my next video. And if you are interested in this channel, please like and subscribe to the channel. And also hit that notification bell. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.